Hello everyone, you're welcome on today's health and beauty kitchen with Joy Dominic. Today I'll be making red wine from my herbal tea. Red wine from my herbal tea. This is called Joy's Herbal Anti-Aging Tea. So I'll be making red wine from this tea. This is herbally prepared, and I tell you what, it's really good. You don't need to spend money, no more buying of red wine. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your red wine from the herbal tea. So I'm going to bring out the tea. This tea goes for only 10,000 naira. With 10,000 naira you can make a lot and a lot. So this is the tea bag. Just bring out, depending how you want your color, your red wine to be thick. So if you really want it to be thick, you can make it too inside. Then after then, I'm going to use hot water. Let me on the kettle. So after adding up with the hot water, you see the tea will change its color. You can see bags of tea. Joy's herbal anti-aging tea. It's herbally prepared and it's very good. It helps you stay healthy and it also helps you look beautiful. So this herbal tea is a bomb. It's wow. A lot of people have been going for this, but you can take it naturally like this. But I'm going to show you how you can make wine out of it. So leave the water boil. So it depends on how many quantity of lemon you want to use, but usually you can add half of the lemon or full lemon. So but I'll be adding half of the lemon because of the size of the tea that I'm going to extract. So I will add just half of the lemon. To be really hot. Where is the kettle? This tea does wonders. This tea has glycolics, ingredients like turmeric, like neem, rooibos, Adam Karika, that is the local name, potassium. It has a lot. Good for age renewal, skin smoothing, boost the immune system, and also menopause booster. Yeah, those of you within your menopause age, it helps to boost you up, destroy bacteria, and also gives you energy. That is, if you're always feeling weak, so tired, you need to be taking just one bag of this tea, just one bag with hot water. You can add up with lemon, or you can just take it like that. Though it's bitter, but it's very good health wise. So try and order it. This is only 10,000 naira. And you can use it for so many health care and skincare treatment. But now I want to make wine out of it. So I'm going to take, my hot water is ready. So I will pour it into it. So this is how, let me take. You can see. How it looks like. So you see how the color looks like. So it's coming out gradually, because this tea contains a lot of herbs, so the color is coming out gradually. You can see it's changing color now. Changing color. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna press my lemon into it. I'll press the lemon into it. Okay, let me put the camera so you can really see it very well. So you're gonna slice it. What will really give me that taste of red wine is gonna be the back of the lemon. So I'm gonna slice it into little portion. So you can see I've already, so I'm gonna add it to the tea. When I said pure wine, this is pure wine. So usually when I put it this way, I'll pour it into a container, then I'll leave it inside my fridge for about 3 days. Then it will now become fermented wine. You know, it will now be fermented. So it's very simple. Using this tea, you don't need to spend so much money for wine, because what I have here is about 30 pieces of this inside. So even if you want to make a wine on a daily basis, you can just take just 1 tea bag, then you make a wine. What you need, it depends on how you want it. You can add watermelon to eat, you can add apple, then but the lemon peel is what makes it really red wine. But this is just 10,000 naira, and that's just about maybe 20 pounds. So with 20 pounds you can take more than enough wine. So what I have here, I can make it like up to 5 liters of, you know, water to bring out this wine. Then you will leave it on for 3 days for it to ferment. Then after then, your wine is ready. You can add up a little honey if you want it to be a little bit sweeter. You can add honey to it, but if you don't want it, just go ahead and take it the way it is, and that's it. So I'm gonna pour it into this for you to have a look at it, that really this is wine. So because I'm taking it now, I have to remove for you to see. Okay, let me leave it on, because I will take it later in the night. But for it to turn into that red wine, you have been spending money. You just have to leave it for 3 good days for it to ferment. The more it stays, the more days it stays, the more it becomes fermented red wine. Well, you can see it's really nice. All right, that's where I'll be running up today on making of red wine from your kitchen. That is from Joy's Health and Beauty Kitchen. So try this, believe me, you enjoy it. This is your own homemade wine. So how do you do the homemade wine? Get this tea, this Joy's Herbal Anti-Aging Tea. Get just 1 pack. 1 pack can serve you for several months. You can even use it up to 3 months. Just 10,000 naira, just 10,000 naira. You can make beautiful home hygienic wine. You know, you can serve your visitors as they are coming in. So thank you so much. That's what I'll be running up on today's show on health and beauty cooking. So hope to see you some other time. Bye. Love you.